Today let us have the problem from chapter Exponents and Powers of related to standard form of writing the number. The problem is, what is the ratio of the radius of Milky Way to the radius of our solar system, given that the distance from Pluto to Sun is this much meters and the Milky Way disk radius is this much meters. Round off the coefficient to the nearest tenth. Okay, let us see what you have to find the ratio of radius of Milky Way. Let us see to radius of solar system. Ratio of radius of Milky Way, that means radius of Milky Way, ratio means dividing one quantity by the other, to the radius of solar system. Radius of solar system. Let us see what is given. You have to find the ratio of this. Given that the distance from Pluto to Sun, the distance from Pluto to Sun is said to be the radius of the solar system. That is given 5.9 into 10 to the power 12 meters. Okay, 10 to the power 12. Radius, distance from Pluto to Sun means radius of solar system 5.9 into 10 to the power 12 meter. And the Milky Way disk radius is given, that is radius of Milky Way is 3.9 into 10 to the power 20 meter. Here meter will be cancelled. You know the ratio has no unit because we compare two quantities of the same kind, of the same unit. Same unit cancelled. Here after 1 plus decimal, here after 1 plus decimal. So the point also can be cancelled. We can take as 39 by 59. 39 by 59 into 10 to the power 20 by 10 to the power 12 means 20 minus 12. Mm cancel. Let us divide 39 by 59. There no space I am doing here. Here decimal because 2 are not taking place. If you take 0, 59 I think 6 are 354. 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. Take 0, again 6 are 354, 6. If you take 0, 1. Okay, what you got? 0.66. So 39 by 59 is 0.661 into 10 to the power 20 minus 12 means 10 to the power 8. Okay. .661. We have to show the answer always in scientific notation. But for here is given round off the coefficient to nearest tenth. First of all, let us show in scientific notation. That means after 6 we have to put the decimal. You know that expressing a number in scientific notation means from this side after one place non-zero digit, not after 0. After one non-zero digit you have to put a decimal. You will have 6.61 into the decimal moved one place from left to right. That means 10 to the power minus 1. If it is right to left, 10 to the power 1. Only one place it moved from here to here. So 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power 8. And also, okay, this one 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power 8 minus 1 is 7 you will get. The question is, round off the coefficient to the nearest tenth. That means this is 10th place, this is 100th place. 100th place we should remove. Here after 10th place 6, 1 is there, 6 will be 6. We will have 6.6 into 10 to the power 7. The question is the ratio of radius of Milky Way to the radius of a solar system is this. Or this ratio means this by 1. This by 1. Or you can show 6.6 into 10 to the power 7 is to 1. By 1 means same. Because the question asks ratio, I have shown the answer in ratio form. And the question is round off the coefficient to the nearest tenth. So I have rounded off to nearest 10. That one I have removed because 100th place we have to round off to nearest 10th. I hope this is clear to you. Actually chapter is very easy. What is standard form and all already you have learnt, but these are little complicated. Try to understand, it will be very easy. Calculations only very carefully you have to do. I hope this is clear to you. Please go through the chapter very well. You will be able to do the exercise questions well. Okay. Thank you.